Hey, hi, this is Hina from Soulful Adventures. Today I'm here to do a book review of Kaizen. Now, Kaizen is a book which is application based, we can say. And before jumping on to what is Kaizen and what is in the book and all those details, I'll just tell you the name of the author. It's Sarah Harvey. Now, Sarah Harvey was working in London in September 2017, and she was very happy with the job and she was having fun also, but she was very anxious and you can say it became monotonous about her life, her personal life, her professional life, and she wanted some change. She knew that she wanted some behavior of her to be changed, but how was the big question? Because we live in metropolitan cities which are very much busier, okay, not in these times, but except this coronavirus thing. Okay, so then she moved to Tokyo. Now she was working as a freelancer book scout and publishing consultant in Tokyo. And eventually she started studying the lifestyle of the Japanese people. Now, yes, there were the streets were busier than London, and it was almost a normal day what London or a busy metropolitan city would have, but it was somewhere quieter, some calmer, and something in control with a slow pace. That was something which grabbed the attention of this author. So she decided to learn what is those things which make these people more calm, more peaceful, and still working and busy. So she started understanding that there need to be some habits, some improvements made, okay, and that is what Kaizen is about, right? So Kaizen is small improvements or change of behavior that you make for yourself, okay. It is like a step by step process, and cutting down those big change into small steps of change and then achieving a bigger change or a bigger goal, okay. And I'll give you my personal experiences also when I started reading this book and applying those step by step process change and determining the goal and reaching it and how it changed my life. And then we can go ahead. Firstly, I would like to show you how it looks, okay. This is a book, this is a Kaizen which I read, I have completed last week, and I decided to give you a review of this, okay. You can get this through Amazon, and it is for 650 rupees. If you can see over here, it's for 650 rupees, okay. And I would tell you folks that this book is quite an investment which you have to make in yourself. It's a very easy language. The book, I won't tell you the book is very easier to implement, but it is easier to understand, okay. Because the first step is that we need to understand that we need change. We need to absorb this thing that there are some behaviors, some challenges, some of the habits that need to be improved, that need to be changed, okay. So Kaizen will help you in that, okay. So let me give you one of my example that how it changed or what habit I have changed. I have a habit of drinking very less water, okay. Maybe it is because of the work, or I'm usually doing a work of sales, so I'm usually on call or something. But even if there was a bottle, completely filled bottle on my desk, still it was like that I used to forget drinking water, right? And I needed a lot of water because the stress I was going with all the clients and everything, there was something which I need to be charged up every time. I had to look fresh, okay, and to sound fresh because I was calling, okay. So after I read this book, there were some steps that you start with an easy goal. So I determined my goal that I have to start drinking enough water. So 8 to 10 glasses per day at least I'll start, which was only 5 to 6 glasses, which is very less when I came to know that the amount of water my body requires is much more. Okay, and then I started telling my colleagues to fill the water or give me an alarm that you haven't drunk water a long time. So in this way I started having my water at home. Whenever I get up, right now also I tend to drink 1 glass of water. I have made this rule to myself, and eventually I started drinking more water, and now I can drink almost 12 to 13 glasses of water in a day, which is far more than my goal. Okay, yeah, it took a quite a time to follow this pattern of change, but this was. So if you want to determine any goal or any idea you have, you can determine it. After you set up your challenge or goal you want to achieve, you have to break them into smaller steps. Okay, like as I said to you, I was having a goal of drinking water of 8 to 10 glasses, which was more for me. It is still less, I know, and now I am drinking 13 to 14 glasses of water each day, which is a moderate kind of thing, I know, but at least I have improved. This is what Kaizen does. Kaizen is a psychological way of changing for good or making improvements in your behavior, in the habits, or just breaking or giving up those bad habits and sticking to the good improvement. This is what Kaizen process helps in. You might be knowing that Toyota and Canon company accepted this Kaizen technique for better productivity and for within a limited or less resources. But when it comes to a human behavior, we have an emotional thing that emotions play a major role in human behavior, right? So it is sometimes difficult to stick to the plan and and carry out those things. But the second step, as I said to you for Kaizen, is cutting down your bigger goal into smaller ones and achieving each small goal. Okay, and whenever you achieve each small step or each small goal, you treat yourself. Yes, you treat yourself. So this is kind of a good thing, right? I have achieved to drink water 6 glasses of water instead of 5, 1 glass extra each day. So I'll treat myself. I'll either make a lemonade for me, or I'll drink hot chocolate. So this thing was a treat for myself. Whenever I used to improve from the last thing that I had, I used to treat myself. And this is what Kaizen does. If you are planning to read more books, okay, and you are not able to do it because of work or sometimes laziness, so whenever you complete each book or at least a half a book, treat yourself with a chocolate or anything, whatever is a treat for yourself, whatever you feel that yes, this is something, a gift, a prize, or a treat for myself, right? So in this way the Kaizen process works, and you can use this Kaizen process in health, in your wealth management, at your relationship management, family life, home management, your money, yes, wealth, how to handle your money, the expenditures, the earnings, the savings, the investments, and at home how to decorate it, how to keep those peace and harmony and the bright colors, and in your health, right? How to keep up with your diet, with your exercise, how to increase the glasses of water like me. And yes, one of the benefit of Kaizen process was that I started shooting my YouTube videos. I started my channel because of this book. It motivated me to go on YouTube, make a channel, and face camera and the tarot card reading or the crystals thing, which I used to do for myself and very near and dear ones. It kind of motivated me to share this knowledge with you. So yes, the book is a great choice, and if you're planning to change, if you're planning to have some behavioral change or improvements in your life, you should choose Kaizen. Yeah, this is my first book review. With this, I'll be back with many of the book reviews which I feel are worth sharing and worth applying. Thank you. Bye bye.